Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Do you have a favorite toy?
Yes, my favorite toy is my teddy bear.
What's your favorite kind of pizza?
I like cheese pizza.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
What is your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I played with my friends.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Do you like to make crafts?
I enjoy making paper crafts.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.